My video is about getting rid of the online scam that now comes from the random website. This pop-up scam claims to be the message from Windows support, and this pop-up quotes this fake Windows support number, which is +1 872 813 7881. It's actually a very serious mistake to trust these pop-ups. They are absolutely fake and deceptive. Don't interact with these fake alerts. Such pop-ups may be the consequence of some adware currently enabled in your computer. So if you see these pop-ups, do not call this fake Windows support number. There are some online hackers who actually stand behind these pop-ups. They try to make you scared about the condition of your computer in order to make you download and install some potentially unwanted software. Also, these hackers who control these pop-ups may try to force you into giving access to your computer remotely. They may connect to the computer remotely and then demand money from the potential victims, supposedly to fix their computers. To sum up, it's a serious mistake to interact with such pop-ups. Don't trust them. Simply leave this page. Also, we recommend you to carefully examine your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may obtain the fresh version of it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.